Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. So today we're actually just doing a quick makeup tutorial real quick because I want to film a certain TikTok. So I just do a simple, what I would wear like every day. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. I'll move my camera some. I know the camera angle's kind of weird, but we still have to deal with it for the time being. Alright. I'm going to go in with the E.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I actually love this foundation. This is my second time using it. It's so good. I'm only putting on a little bit. And you guys like this wig? I think it's so pretty. And this foundation looks so good. It actually matches me. I was shook. Because it's so hard to get a good foundation that matches me pretty good. But this one does the job. The shade Caramel and has neutral undertones. You guys know I have super neutral skin. If a foundation is a little yellow or a little red or orange or whatever, it'll show up a lot on my skin, my face. Like this one's a little yellow and you can tell on my skin, but it's not bad, you know? Like it's pretty neutral, so which is good. We're gonna do concealer. If you're wondering what brush I'm using the E.l.f. Buffing brush. I love this brush. Every time I go to the store and see it, I buy it because it's affordable and it's cheap and it's worth it. I'm gonna go in with the L.A Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, what shade is this? Toffee. And I'm gonna go in with some powder because it covers translucent. See what I use every time. Get some on my brush. I do not bake. I just press it in. Anywhere I really put that foundation is where I'm going to press a little bit of powder. Okay, done with translucent powder. Eyeshadow palette by L.A Girl. I love this palette. I did show you guys how I used this palette in my last video, if it's uploaded. If not, beautiful colors, beautiful. Definitely go out and get it. I think it's like $8. Definitely worth the price. That's for sure. It's highly pigmented. And it's like, it's a really pretty palette. Definitely worth the money. I'm going in with that middle shade. Going with a little bit of this orange copper. Oh, I love this palette. It's so pretty. So pretty. Lord. Going in with this darker shade. Just a little bit. Alright, with that, we're gonna go with eyeliner. I like to use the, this is a glue eyeliner, so it's not really meant to be used on its own, but that's how I use it. This is basically the same look I did in my other video, so maybe I'll just upload this one instead. I don't know. Okay, look how dark it is. Let me turn the darkness down on this so you can see. Lock it. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna turn down. I'm gonna lock it. Look how dark it is. That's how dark it is in real life. So nice. We're gonna go in with mascara. We're using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris, I believe. Yeah, L'Oreal Paris. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going with blush. Ooh, my new favorite blush. This is by Luna Magic. I believe it's a black-owned brand. Don't quote me on that. I haven't done my research, but I also got the other products in Target, and there was 2 black girls on the thing, so I'm guessing, or 1 black girl on the thing. Look how bright that is. Super pigmented. So I just tap my brush like that. That's enough for my whole face. I'm gonna spread it out onto my nose. Look how pigmented. Lord. I barely tapped it. I'm gonna do my brows real quick and be right back. Okay, so brows are done. I think they look really cute. I used the E.l.f. Lift Brow Pencil, and then I used the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright. Where is... Okay, so this is one of my favorite products. Okay, this is Spicy Sienna by E.l.f. and this is their lip gloss tint. And it's so pretty. So this is the finished look. I think it came out better than I did it last time, so I'm just gonna upload this video instead. So don't go looking for that other video. Basically, it was the first impressions, and basically, this is new. I tried it. I love it. Get it, $8. Love the brow pencil. Love the concealer. My favorite thing ever. So freaking nice. This is in Spicy Sienna. Such a pretty color. And then, what else? Pretty much, oh yeah, and the blush. The blush is $8. It's very pigmented though, so it will last you literally forever. If you want to get it, this is what the packaging looks like. Hold on. It's like this. And this is in the shade Anita. So, if you guys want to get the blush, I would. It looks so pretty. And yeah, so, oh, and the foundation. Foundation, $6. Worth every single penny. I am gonna go to the store and buy more. This is my favorite foundation from now on. My favorite perfume right now is I'm wearing. This is the Dolce & Gabbana Lily. It's so hard to find. It's sold out right now. So if you get your hands on this perfume, I'm telling you, it's the best white perfume ever, ever, hands down. So I'm just gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then that's about it. All right, bye guys.